Final countdown for Phalanx. We need to solo infil and extract with the final exfil with 3 weapons dropped by enemy operators in the same deployment. If you have any missions to do with hunt contracts, it's great to equip this as well, as we'll be doing hunt contracts to find enemy players the quickest. All we need to do is grab 3 unique weapons from the enemy players, 2 in our hands and 1 in our backpack, and then take the final exfil when the gas is spreading and has eaten all of the other exfils. Okay, so I'll head and grab the first hunt squad mission down here. Joining a team of a few people, this should be a lot easier simply because there's more firepower behind you. Right, so there we go, killing a handful of enemy operators. We need to make sure that we extract with their gear, but unfortunately I'll need to leave my cool gun behind in order to do so. In fact, I don't think this is a custom weapon. It's probably best to make sure that an enemy operator's weapon is their weapon, as then it has skins and customizations that bots wouldn't have, like this one here for example. Perfect. We have everything we need in order to finish this mission. All we need to do now is simply extract on the final exfil.
Oh, it's right there. Pog. Oh, that was easy.
And there we go. The mission should now be done. Wow. Okay. Well, it seems like I picked up 2 out of 3 weapons, even though I had 3. Oh, okay. There we go. Sweet. Finished. So thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot. Hopefully you found this video useful, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.